Warning: always wear proper personal protective equipment when operating Appion products. Appion's MegaFlow hoses are key to quality refrigerant recovery and system evacuation. Like all tools, proper use and care techniques will ensure that you're getting the most out of your hoses while increasing their lifespan. It is recommended to inspect your hoses before every job to ensure there is no damage to the hoses before use. To inspect the hoses, start by checking the outer casing, swivel fittings, and hose gaskets for damage. If any damage is observed on the outer casing or swivel fittings, the hose should be replaced. Next, inspect the hose gaskets for wear and damage. Replace the hose gaskets if any damage is found. For a detailed step-by-step explanation of how to replace your hose gaskets, please refer to our hose repair walkthrough video. It's also important to evacuate and test your hoses after long periods of storage, or if you feel the hose's performance is in question. When evacuating and testing a hose, evacuate it to 200 microns to ensure it is working properly and all moisture and contaminants have been removed. Prior to connecting your hose to the system, apply a thin layer of vacuum pump oil to the service port or VCRT port to create a proper seal. When connecting your hoses, only hand tighten the fitting. Never tool tighten or over tighten the fitting, as it can damage the system or VCRT port, hose fitting, hose gasket, and/or the snap ring. To keep your hoses free from moisture and debris, it is recommended that they are stored in a cool and dry environment, away from dirt and debris. Appion's aluminum hose hangers are a great accessory that aid in keeping hoses organized and free from contaminants while protecting the hose fittings from damage. Hose care is an easily controlled component that should be a high priority for any technician. Remembering these proper use and care techniques will not only lengthen the life of your hoses, but also improve the quality of your recovery and evacuation. Visit your preferred local distributor to get your Appion hoses today.